All right, what is up, fellow outdoorsmen? We're out here in our backwoods creek. It's crystal clear, doing some camping, fishing. Tomorrow is opening day of stream fishing for trout, and we got native brown, rainbow, brook trout, you name it, out here in this little creek. So it should be a good time. Stay tuned, this could be an epic episode. All right, we're gonna get some little first cast action on our creek mission here. Got some native browns in this creek. Sorry about the lighting. We're hitting it pretty early. All right, we found a nice deep hole here with a lot of cover. So I'm gonna try that out. Oh, there we go. We're hooked up. Nice. First cast in there. We got a little guy. I'm gonna get my net so we can let him go. All right. There's our first little guy there. Nice, beautiful trout. Swallowed it. We're probably just gonna have to clip him free. Let him go. The hook will rust out, so calm down, bud. All right, we'll get you free here. One last little look. One last little look. Nice, beautiful trout. Little guy though. Let's get him back in. There he goes. Kind of hard to see. We're on the side of a cliff here, sliding off. All right, first fish down. Let's see what else we can do. We did lose our hook though. All right, we're gonna try another cast, same exact spot. And some new line on this pole. Oh, got another one. Oh, this is a nice one. All right. This is a good one here. Try and slide down and get him without sliding in the creek here. This is an awkward position. Alright, let's get this boy. There we go. So that's a better one right there. That's a good looking trout. Got them right in the mouth. So they're mainly browns in here. They kind of took out all the native brooks and rainbows that used to be in here. So he just popped off. I think we're gonna let him go as well, because it's not a crazy size. All right, we'll get you going, buddy. There he goes, right back home. Perfect. Kind of a drop here, it's a little rough, but looked like he did all right. So that is 2 fish in this one spot. Nice little deep pocket. You got moving water coming in, kind of catches the edge. There's a lot of cover. Let's see what else we can get out of here. All right, I think we fished this hole out, I guess. No more bites. Got those 2. One of them was fairly decent for this creek. We're not talking anything crazy. I think the biggest one we got out of here is like 2 pounds. That was an anomaly. I guess that's the word for it. Let's go try a couple more spots. All right, I don't know if you guys can hear, but we're at our 4th most epic spot. You got this intense waterfall on the side of a cliff. If we can catch something out of here, it's gonna be pretty epic. Ooh, we're getting nibbles. Just got bit. Oh, we got one. There we go. Woo! Look at him fight. He's so little, but they put up a crazy fight. Definitely gonna let this one go. Let's get the net out real quick. This little folding net is awesome. All right. Got him. All right, look at that. Nice little guy. Nothing crazy in size, but beautiful fish. They are powerful little guys. We're gonna let him go. Feisty, calm down. All right, one last little look. He's ready to go. There they go. Plenty of energy still. It's crazy how that little fish can put up such a fight. We did it though. Caught one out of our waterfall spot. This place is epic. Let's see what else we can get. Ooh, that was a bite. Got, got one. Ooh, he popped off. It was so small. He couldn't even bite the hook, he was so small. Ripped up my worm pretty good. There we go. Got one. Oh, little guy, dang. Second fish. And it is nothing crazy. Let's get this boy off of here. Woo! All right, calm down, calm down. Nice little mini micro trout. Barely hooked him too. Whoa, 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 whoa. Calm down, buddy. Woo! Little guy. See ya. Little micro trout action. That's the guy who was nibbling my worms this whole time, I think. We got an even more epic spot. Huge pool down here at the bottom of the tall waterfall. Beautiful creek. This looks like could be holding a monster in here. Let's see what we can get. Ooh, got a bite. Didn't seem like anything big. Definitely got a bite though. Reeling it in. There's a little rock ledge right there that could be up under that. Oh, got one, got one. There we go. Nice. Fighter. Let's get the... Oh, he popped off. Dang it. Dang it. Oh, well, that was a little guy anyway. Popped off and he left the worm. Oh, no. We're going to replace that, but didn't really want that guy anyway. They just fight so hard. This is an epic spot. Got one. Little guy is dead. Micro trout. Apparently we're on a little micro trout mission here down in the biggest hole in the creek. Catch the smallest fish. We're gonna let this guy go. All right, so we're back at our first spot. We just hooked another micro guy here. Man, they are feisty. So this was that first spot of the day where we had our first cast. There we go. Little guy there. Looks like he's not hooked too bad, so we should be able to get him off. Alright. We'll get you, buddy. Right in the corner of the mouth. There we go. Plopped right off. Alright. Lost count on the trout. Nothing big though, but you know, you can't beat this scenery. ultra clear creek. Just catching native brown trout. Just cannot go wrong. All right, what is up, guys? I think that's gonna be a wrap to our little creek mission we've got going on. It's starting to rain, so we're gonna get rained out here very shortly. But we had a nice little, I guess, micro trout session. Nothing too crazy, but you just can't go wrong on this crystal clear, scenic water. It's one of my favorite little creeks here. And there's always some nice native browns. Sometimes there's brooks and rainbows too. But I'll just go over the gear I was using real quick. Just using this little creek setup I have. It's just a moderate light. I think it's the Ugly Stick GX2 with some 4-pound line to a 2-pound leader. A couple split shots gets the weight, and it kind of, you just bounce that along the little creek sides and the rocks and stuff, and then they snag it on up. But you know, I think that's going to be all we got for you guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of epic action, there's plenty more where it came from. So subscribe, check out my other videos, and we'll see you guys later. There we go. Dang.